Welcome to the May 2019 version of my QGIS 3 orientation ebook. The paperback version is 111 pages long. As you can see, depending on the seller, it sells on Amazon for between $29.97 and $33.58. The ebook version is a free download for all my Udemy students. Compared to the January 2019 version, the updated ebook is almost twice as long. It includes a new introduction section where I talk about GIS data concepts, map overlay, and map scale. Then a section on setting up QGIS in preparation for the tutorial. Then an orientation of the QGIS 3 desktop and toolbars. And of course, shading and validating your QGIS 3 map. Finally, a brand new glossary of terms section. Now, the book is a non-standard Amazon page size, so if you print it out, be sure to click the Fit to Page button in the Acrobat print dialog. Enjoy!